Hello everybody, welcome back to Sam and Seth Fidget, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a fun video. I'm going to be testing three fidget toy games that are supposed to be very fidgety and satisfying. So let's see. Okay, and also I have not played these games at all yet. So we'll kind of start by going kind of just like, I don't know, it's just... It's already a great start with an ad. That's great. Okay. This is really dumb. What is this? Reload. Okay. This isn't a fidget toy. This is literally cutting what looks like bread. That's already a really dumb toy. Like, it's not even a toy. Is every single time going to be an ad? Okay. Is this supposed to be one of those, like, squeezy ball things with the net on them? Stress balls with the net? There's no net on this. What a dumb thing. What does the reload button do? Like, that's dumb. That is also another fail. Okay, then we've got this fidget. Another one of these.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Woo! Oh my god!
And once again, another ad to start us off. It'd be nice if there were like some sound effects or something to kind of like... Okay, before we go on to the next one, I'm just going to test off obviously our favourite toys. Obviously a pop. And straight away already another ad. It's like before everyone is doing an ad, so that's... But of course we've got to... Okay, first of all, this looks really dumb. Like, that's not even what a pop-it looks like. Let's see. Is there any sound on there? Is it popping? Not even popping. Oh, it is now. Can I do like... I can't even do two at a time. What a dumb little thing. Okay, already a dumb toy, not even playing that. Oh, Simple Dimple. Gotta try Simple Dimple. And another ad. Just the sound of that ad sounds better than that whole game. Like, seriously. Every time you click it, you've got to, like, press the reload button. Dumb. Okay, I'm going on to the next game. So that one, out of 10, I rate that a 2. That was so bad. Okay, now this one is called Fidget Toys 3D. So it's kind of got the same layout. Oh, whoops. I don't know what I just did then. Whatever. It's kind of got the same layout. Kind of looks like the same toys type of thing. There's not as many, though. And it kind of looks a bit better.
Hello?
This is Justin Bieber.
Oh my god!
Just calm down. My assistant wants to speak with you.
Yeah.
Okay, this is literally the exact same thing as before. Just a different color. This is like what the color of my fidget is. That's dumb. Okay. What is this? This looks like a... Oh, at least it did... What kind of quality is that? At least it didn't have an ad. Okay, what is this? The quality on this game is so bad. Like, I feel like this is made by the same people. Like, everything's like the same. There's not even a Simple Dimple on there. Let's just test out the fidget spinner. I mean, it's better than the one before because there's no... I'm literally like... That's how fast it goes. That's it. Okay, that's quite dumb. Next one. And it's the last one. This one better be the best. Like, I mean, at least the cover's got poppets. Fat Unicorn. Oh, it's made by the same place. And the quality... That, what a bad logo. Oh my gosh, there's levels. This one's levels. Okay. Let's do new level 1. Let's test that. Okay, so we've got one... At least this one has sound. Oh my gosh. And you can do... Hang on, let's... Okay, you can do more than one at a time. Oh my gosh, and it just automatically flips for you. And it doesn't have a good side or a bad side. This is so good. Like, after those ones, I didn't have my hopes up at all. Okay, you can change the colour. There's no ads. Now, you've obviously... Okay, so this is just like... You can change the colour of them. What's cam? Don't know what that's done. Oh, it's just a different camera perspective. Okay, so now let's go home and let's test out... We can test out level 1 of everything. So let's try a simple dimple. I mean, there was an ad, but like, I tried 2 different things and it didn't give me one, and it's... yeah, this is way better already. Oh, and it actually works how, like... I mean, there's no sound. But, like, it works how Simple Dimple does. Like, how the other games was just, like, a one little pat of the screen. Like, when I just do one simple pat, that's what it does. That's like a pop-it, but you've actually got to hold it down. And I like how it just flips for you. That's good. Let's just have a look at what other fidgets they actually have, though. Like, the pop-it is probably the best. But, like, what others do they have? Okay, that was kind of dumb. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell if you want to know when we make more of our videos. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete that one and that one because they were so dumb. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell if you want to know when we make more of our videos. And tell us in the comments below if you like this video and if you want to see more of these types of videos. And also tell us in the comments below if you've got any cool fidget toy video ideas. And hopefully we'll see you guys next time on Sam and Seth Fidgets. Bye!